Good day all, my name is Flip. Welcome back to the Rustic Way, where we do affordable woodworking. Please subscribe and like the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. If this is your first time, please come back and visit us and support the Rustic Way. Thank you. In this video we start with the chairs. I'll show you all the material that we're going to use, and then we will cut all the pieces to size and start with the sanding. We are going to start now with 4 chairs for the table that I've made. So what we need is 2 pieces of 220 centimeter by 9 centimeter by 3.5 centimeters. We need 2 pieces of 200 centimeter by 4.5 by 4.5 centimeters. Then we need 20 of these. It's 90 centimeter by 7 centimeter by 1.8 centimeter. And then we need 2 10 millimeter round bars, 2 8 millimeter round bars, 4 pieces of rope for the chairs, 1 10 millimeter drop bit and 1 8 millimeter drop bit. This is the pieces for one chair that I've cut only in length. Not in, I haven't cut out the portions. I've just cut it in length. So what I will do is I'm gonna cut for three times more. So for all 4 chairs before we cut the legs out of it and the sides and the top and the back, everything. And there's all the pieces cut in length. So now the rest must be done. I haven't done it all with my handsaw. What I've done over here, as you'll see, I've got a circle saw. I've put it on the desk with a circle saw underneath. It's just make life easier to cut. Before you start with the wood, just make sure, because you can see there's staplers in this wood. So we need to remove it. The way to remove it is with a screwdriver and this pliers of mine. What I will do is I will lift it with the screwdriver just a bit. And then with the pliers just remove them. It's safe to use. All the markings are done on the wood now. This is for the one chair, and this one here is for the other 3 chairs. So what you need for one chair is the 2 front legs. The front leg is 310 by 40 millimeter, and it's 40-40 square. The hind legs are these ones here, 310 by 40 millimeters, and then you've got the right side bottom, which is 235 millimeters, and the top side is 235 by 50 millimeters, and the left side bottom is also 235 and the left side top is also 235/50. The middle side at the back is 235/35, the bottom side is 235/50, and the top side is also 235/50. The bottom front is 235/35, and the top front is 235/60. sorry, not 235 the front, it's 265 by 50. The bottom, the top side is by 50 and the bottom side is 35. I'm doing all the cutting that I'm doing now. It's not the circle saw, the bandsaw. And then after that, I'm going to start. After that, I'm going to use sandpaper to finish it off and then the assembling. I want to show you how I mark the legs, the bottom part of the legs, 16 centimeters. So what I've done is I don't want to keep it square. I want it to be tapered down to the bottom like this. So what I've done is I've crossed the bottom to get the center, and from here to there it's 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. Then I've marked it like this, so that piece is going to come out, and this piece and this piece. Okay, so what I'm doing is, if I put it in a vise like this, come this side, I mark those 2 marks there, and then I take my ruler from that mark to there, that mark, you see 16 centimeter mark. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove this piece here, and then you can imagine how it's going to look. And so this will be the bottom of the chair leg, which will look a little bit better than the square part, but on top I have to keep it square for the planks that link everything together. Today we're going to do the finishing of the chairs. I'm only going to do the one chair. I'm going to use this sander. That's my dust mask. And the protection. In part 2 of the video for the chairs, we are going to continue the sanding, and then we're going to start the assembling of the back end. Hope you enjoy it.